So, just to start it off, why don't you kind of explain what exactly technical analysis is?
Sure. So, well, in the realm of like trading and investing, right? You have like, I mean, in investing, you look at business fundamentals, which is the cash flow. And then in trading, you look at the price. And so technical analysis, by definition, I guess you could say, is just the study of price action, right? Now, technical analysis, I think it's evolved, and we could actually look into the history of it. And I guess shame on me, I don't remember all of the history with the Japanese candlesticks and all that. But I
Right.
know it derives from price and the evolution of technical analysis. You have all its derivatives and stuff like that. So if you recall one of the Sunday lectures that I talked about in technical analysis, I like to look at the primary. The primary for me is the price and volume. Then the secondary, you have like the overlays. And then the tertiary, you got the indicators and such. So yeah, that's sort of my definition of technical analysis, the study of price and volume over time.
Yeah, well said. I agree. Why would you say it's so important? I mean, a lot of traders, when they talk about trading, a lot of them default to technical analysis. So, why do you think it's so important, and what is its kind of place in your, I guess, investment psychology?
Yeah, I mean it could be it should be objective, but then like there's so many people interpreting the body of knowledge that it could be quite subjective.
Right.
So I don't think every trader uses it the same unless you kind of define them by what time frame they're playing. So in some cases, like I think a day trader might use technical analysis in a different way as a swing trader, and very different from like maybe a investor who's applying light technical analysis using position trading or position investing. So it varies by the personas, the personalities of traders out there. Um, but yeah, I'm sorry. What was your specific question?
Like, um, why would you say it's super important? Like, is it?
Yeah,
Do you think it's
it.
important to pay attention to it?
I personally think it's important. It's what I kind of start off with, technical analysis. I did go to school for finance and learn like business fundamentals and stuff like that. But to this day, it's important because it acts as like sort of like a price compass for me. Like, how do you know what price you want to get in? And then at the
Right.
same time, how do you know where to risk manage and when to get out? So it's just like a framework that you're applying to the chaos that we're seeing, right? It's like there's chaos everywhere, but we're applying structure to it. In this case, the volatility or the chaos and the price action is everywhere. But if you don't apply some sort of framework like technical analysis, you won't be able to identify spots where you feel most comfortable to get in and also where you feel most comfortable to get out. So it's a combination of providing you a point of entry, but also a point of exit for your risk management. Very important. Risk management is super important when it comes to trading.